how to share location on WhatsApp. First, open your WhatsApp application. Then go to your chat. After coming to the chat, you will see plus icon on the bottom left. Just tap on it and then you will see these options. Just go for location and then allow WhatsApp to use your location. Then tap on share live location. After tapping on share live location, you will get this option. Tap on settings and then go to location and tap on always and then go back to your WhatsApp. And now just click on send. So now your location has been sent. Subscribe to this channel for more how-to videos like this.